one of our biggest programs is Happy Homework Helpers, which is afternoon classes esiwenzayo ney'ngane khona esikhaweni every Monday to Friday from 3 to 5. So sisizingana ngama-homework and like extra curriculums, like ama-activities abadinga ukuwenza nje esikoleni. So lokho ubunzima esitholayo lapho is the fact ukuthi abantwana kithi babuye esikoleni belambile, umuntu esekhathele. So siyazama because siyacela abazali ukuthi be-contribute. Leyo contribution leyo isuke iya ukhokhela ama-stipends for ama-volunteer, because ama-volunteers now is qualified teachers that are sitting at home. Yabo. So it's not much. Yabo. And nabo, they are individuals that have a home, they have kids that are looking up to them. Yabo. So that is a huge challenge, because I really wish sorry. Kuthiwa eBhayibhelini uNkulunkulu says fear 365 days. Do not fear. I don't fear. Honestly, like I trust God through and through. Like He's never disappointed me. Never. And He never will. So I know ukuthi konke okwenzakalayo kuwenzeka because it is His plan. Yabo, this is the plan that He has for me, for Yenza Kahle Foundation, for all the lives that we're going to impact. Yabo. So if now 20 schools are coming from this place and that place, and that's His plan, He's going to provide. Abanye abantu that are very, very close to my heart are people with special needs.
Oh, okay.
Yes, because my cousin, he has special needs. So usesusukani this year una 18, so uyaphuma ukuthi njengamanje impilo imayiqala kuyena. So uzoyaphi uzenze njani? Yabo. So amfuqamanga abantu abane special needs, they very close to my heart. So Yenza Kahle Foundation, I want Yenza Kahle Foundation to cater for those people. Yabo. For them ukuthi okay usuphumile as thina as provide amathuba omsebenzi for what ababo, be it ama-groundsmen, be it our kitchen staff, be it in any, be it administration, what they can do, they depending on their abilities. But that's where Yenza Kahle is. Yenza Kahle is a remedial center. It has a sports ground. It's offering sports that are not for tina abantu bamnyama. I don't know if I'm saying it right. So please do excuse me if I sound very bad. But sports ngawona abantu bamnyama. So that's where that's where Yenza Kahle Foundation is.
Made in Africa. Uzuze wafika.
I'm finally here. Hello.
Uyaphila kodwa mfethu?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Hey, ngiyajabula mfethu ukuthi ugcina ukwazi ukuphila. Noma ngipintshile nje, ngaphuthumisa ngathi hayi woza.
Angikwazi ukupintshela njena.
Phela kuyenzeka kusemhlabeni nje mfethu. Ukusebenza under pressure kanento zenje ama-entrepreneurs.
Ukusebenza under pressure ngempela. Yabo nje nawe ube yiclient nje elingihlelela amahlombe. Engine-order efanele ngideliver manje. But I'm happy to be here. Thank you so much for the pressure also.
Bonga mina. Mhlambe ukuthi nje just briefly usichazele ukuthi sinobani namhlanje so that our viewers umphakathi. We call our viewers umphakathi.
Okay.
La we made in Africa, so i-podcast umphakathi. So that umphakathi uzokwazi ukuthi uhleli nobani namhlanje. Wakuphi?
Ngiyabingelela umphakathi namhlanje uhleli noNonjabulo Robin Sibisi, uqhamuka esikhaleni senkosi. uNonjabulo Robin Sibisi uyinkosi ingane encane ezamayo ephandayo enevision engaka kodwa ke nginoNkulunkulu wami mkhulu so nje ngiyamthemba. So just to give you a summary of who Nonjabulo Robin Sibisi is, I'm a NPO chairperson for Yenza Kahle Foundation. I'm also an entrepreneur for a uniform and branding business called Ikhaya Lezivumolia Corporate, which is based also in Esikhaweni. I am a qualified BCom economics majoring in economics and business management, and also a qualified teacher. So ngayenza iPGC after my BCom qualification. So yeah, and then just nje ukuthi ngichazele ke after yesekeze PGCE na akuhlangananga ke kwaseke kwaqala ke ubhekisi naye namhlanje kuyenza kahle foundation kwasami ingane yami nje yeah. So just
mina ngiyayithanda ke indaba, ngiyathanda futhi ukuzwa ngomuntu ukuthi umuntu ukhule kanjani. Angithi uma uzwa ngomuntu ukuthi ukhule kanjani uyakwazi ukuthi ubone ukuthi that's why ese umuntu kanje. So if you can take us back nje ku Robin ena 10 years seyingane esayikhulele honest awusekho phela honest vela. Honest.
Awu-honest, hayibo, ngi-honest kakhulu siyami umphathi ungithembile ngi-honest phakathi.
Usayikhulela nje uno 10 years. Impilo yayinjani? Khule kanjani?
Guys, angifunda uqamamanga ukuthi I am blessed. Nje, I had a good childhood. I have a very supportive family. Nje, my mom, umama ungizalayo, nje, she did all that she could. My dad also, on his part, he did all that he could. So nje, childhood yami nje, number one. Mina ngiphuma phesheya, guys. Oh, le childhood lena nje ngithi soft, imnandi, yebo, private school. So nje, I don't wanna lie. I had a very good childhood. Even growing up, from my primary going to high school, I have a supportive family, supportive parents that are there, even friends, going to varsity. I mean, yes, my qualifications now. Unfortunately, I'm getting a little bit of some record time. Kuya ngeminyaka engahlala university fana udokotela kodwa ke asikho lapho osalayo ngaqeda ilokho kubalekile.
Angithi bakhona la abahlalayo uthola ukuthi banezikhundla lapha akusaphumeki lokho ihlalile nje lokho ihlalile manje yazi umuntu mayekhula njengami nje mina khathi ngisakhula ngifisa ukuba umlungu yeah wena ke ngesikhathi usakhula nje yini nje ofisa ukuthi ube yiyona usamuvela kuyona namanje noma sekwashintsha?
Angikho nje close to being kahle mina khathi ngisakhula. I think nganginokuthi yabona ama ladies egqoka amaguzu yabo nje mase sefana ama overall labo yabo nje ama engineers yabo nje usisi nje okhulu all right nje. I mean, I want to say I'd always have that ukuthi nje I'm going to be an engineer, nami ngqoka amaguzu ngibe muhle yabo nje ngibe ugeli. Or we work environments that is dominated by males, you know? So it was always that. But unfortunately, it didn't go that way. So we streams of commerce. So I ended up, so that's why I did the whole BCom. And then I ended up doing my PGCE majoring in economics and business studies. So I was never went that direction, but a totally different direction. And the whole PGCE, I don't wanna lie, it wasn't like part of, the plan. Yeah, well, the plan was, I do my BCom, I do my honors, I'm in an office with this beautiful view, I'm running the show, I'm the girl. But it didn't happen like that. But honestly, I really believe in God's plans, like God has a plan for each and every one of us. And Nami, he has a plan for me and he still has a plan. So I'm really grateful for where I am at right now, even though it didn't go the way I had planned or expected, But his plan is perfect and I'm happy with his plan right now.
Empilweni ama goals akho. Athini yini oyenzayo ukuze wa-achieve yaqala iba deep inkulumo. Yini oyenzayo ukuze wa-achieve yini osuyenzile empilweni ukuthi okay I have these goals sengikwenzile 1 no 2 ukuze ngikwazi ukugcina ngiwa-achieve ama goals ami empilweni nje overall. No asangeni into details ngama foundations but your life.
My life, my goals.
But myself. Yini khona osabayo ukuthi uzozwa indaba zakho ukuthi Wena khona nami ngisincubela. Shabe nayo.
No, I mean, we plan.
Yeah.
Yabo, we plan, siyabhala every single year, ama resolutions, this year, ngenzani, yada yada yada. And akwenzeki ngendlela. Yabo, sometimes I do akwenzeki. Sometimes akwenzeki ngendlela ofisa ngayo. Yabo. So ama goals I'd like to say ukuthi konke bengiplanile noma engangikufisa, it took a whole U-turn because me running a business right now, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm running a branding and uniform business, was never part of my goals. It was never a goal, it was never a plan. Yabo. So right now I'm here and each day, I take it each day as it comes, because kukhona lokhu uthena okay yeah ngifuna ukwenza kanje ngenza kanje kodwa angenzi kanjalo ngenza ngenye indlela. So like what I'm trying to say is okay, the whole thing was just okay, you're gonna start a boutique kahle kahle. As initially, as the name says, iKhalezi Mngondiya. Now ngithi ngizoqala iboutique yabo, and then iboutique ayenzekanga. Then the next thing my partner was like, "Ayibo, why ungenzi kanje yabo?" Now sengikwi corporate uniform space yabo. So honestly, my goals right now is taking it one day at a time, and honestly just trying to put the puzzle piece yabo into place, but with God on my side, obviously yabo, because akukho kwenzakayo engekho yena.
Yazi mina mhlambe ukuthi ngikusupport lokho kushoyo kuukuthi thina asiphumanga kwi-industry. So thina saqala kwakuyini senzo Cash Safe Internet Entertainment. So saculwa music, strictly only music. But now so strictly only filming. Yabo. So kodwa ngesikhathi sisenza indaba ye-music akaze sacabanga indaba ye-filming, sasingayicabangile kodwa ngokwenzeka kwezinto igcina ngempela ukuthi okay ama-goals kwakuyilawa kodwa manje uyigcina usuyithola usula
somewhere else. Yeah, so nami honestly ite kanjalo
ukuthinta kancane kwi-branding and uniform business.
Yes.
Awusithi kancane mhlawumbe umphakathi nawo ungaba nawe interest ukuthi uzwe amabhizinisi kanjani ngoba izinto ezikanjalo thina sazi ukuthi zenziwa abelungu. Angifunda kumention igama lakho nedumile libhalwe ngo-red, i-background yakho imhlophe kanjalo. So niyabo, so uma kukhona osomabhizinisi bebala lethu abenza leyo msebenzi siyadinga ukubasupporta nabo mhlawumbe uma ungase sichazele kancane ngalelo business.
Okay, so ibhizinisi ke lethu-ke lilapha nesikhaweni i-J2 opposite isonto ethiwa iLuthele Nkangiswe Lutheran Church. Yes, so into esenzayo-ke thina-ke siyathunga, so senza ama-uniform, ama-organizations ney'ndawo nje, even your catering, your nurse scrubs nje, so anything that has to do with the uniform. And then we also do branding. So branding that we mostly specialize in is embroidery branding. So I'm wearing something that I embroidered. So I have an embroidery machine, so we do our own embroidery, in-house embroidery. So we're also branching out into corporate gifting. So you know how you have your personalized mugs. Yabona nje manje sizokwenzela nje ama-mugs akho azobrendiwe made in Africa. Azohlala la nama-guest ephuze kubona.
Uzobuya njalo ku-episode elandela ngo-season 3. Thola ukuthi uyabuya ama-glass awekho. Bese ngokukhumbuza umphakathi.
Umphakathi ave women of my word. Women of my word nje nizofika la nithole ama-glass enisiye. So build your ama-glass, your mugs, your calendars, your pens, so everything that's corporate. So that is what we are doing. Siyatholakala njena every Monday to Friday from 8 to 4 khona laphana esikhaweni.
Yeah, kuyajabulisa ukuzwa lokho ngoba yazi ngempela amanye amabhizinisi sihlezi siwa-associate nabantu abamhlophe and kuyajabulisa ukuthi iselokishini futhi.
Yes.
So ibhizinisi ibe kuthina, let's hope ukuthi abantu bazokusupport. Yabona nje nathi shoot-ke for i-vertebra production or izinto ze-crew. Sesozenza kuwe.
And like honestly,
really client.
Yes, and honestly, like that's the biggest thing that the business wants to do is to empower our community. Yeah, because we do believe in uplifting other people of, like in South Africa. Yabo sidinga ukuthi nesisizane, and that's what we want. So njengamanje we are seeking abantu abathungayo, because the end goal is obviously to have all our in-house production to be done by people in South Africa. Nathi siwave iflag ethi proudly South African, yabo ibrand yethu ihambe all over. So nje siyafisa nje ngempela ukuthi umphakathi wasesikhaweni namphathelelo ukuthi ukwazi ukusizakala ngamathuba omsebenzi, and ngoba sazi njengamanje ukuthi like i-high unemployment rate, yabo, so kahle kahle yithi osomabhizinisi efaneke si-alleviate, siqede leyo nto leyo ukuthi khona abantu abahleli phansi kodwa benawo amathalente, yabo, anjengawo ukuthunga, anjengawo branding, yabo. So nje
nokuphumelela kwenu kuyabamotivate i-generation elandelayo ukuthi nathi we can start our own businesses.
Definitely.
Ngoba yabona njengamanje thina nje futhi sile generation le eyazi ukuthi kufanele sifunde sibe othisha, iphoyisa, mawufunde kakhulu udokotela, yabo, thina sisuka kuleyo generation. So ingoba futhi asinabo abantu esibukela kubona ukuthi ngani nabo babubani, yabo, sebeyiqedile ke futhi nalento yobabubani la emakhaya, sekugcwele legenga ngaphandle ezitolo. Kanti thina we grew up kuthiwa hamba uthenga esitolo kwaMkhize, yabo, ayisekho sekuyikhontshela manje. Sekuyikhontshela manje. Asivane singene sihlale phezulu kwalo daba bese nebheni yasho bese siyasibiza ngani nomphakathi lokubuka kanti ibhena yani le yenzakalani la yenza kahle foundation qale nini?
Yenza kahle foundation ngokwamaphepha ngoba phela siya register ngithi ngokwamaphepha yenza kahle foundation ithi iqale ngo-2022 kodwa yaqala ngo-2021. Kahle the whole concept, how it actually started. Angithi ngishilo ukuthi I'm a qualified teacher also. So umakhelwane bengawuthola umsebenzi ongihlele ekhaya. So umakhelwane will end up sending ingane zabo ukuthi hawu ubasize phela igama lami sekhaya unini. Hawu nini ubasize phela usibani your homework hawu nini, yabo nje. So manje hawu nakhu homework iyanda nazi ingane zanda, yabo, and nakhona ezinye yabo zinama-challenges in terms of yona le homework esisiza ngayo, so umuntu akanayo i-basic yesifundo lesasenzayo. So fanele ngiqala lapha nje manje angisasizi senguthisha, yabo, sengingenile kwi-role yami-ke manje ukuthi nginguthisha. So that's how it started. So it was like how I have this qualification, I have my peers who are also qualified teachers sitting at home. Why singaqali into kanje? And nakhona lento ngoba siqala siqalela ukuthi we're trying to make education fun and fashionable, yabo, and we're trying to bring it into our community and assist ingane, because ngoba ngisho some of them were challenged, and yabo ubona ukuthi if this child could get extra assistance they could actually pass, or they could actually make that pass mark, yabo. So that's how Yenza Kahle Foundation started.
Kungcono ngoba i-conversation esinayo ngiyenza nosomabhizinisi, so angizukuba nenkinga kwimibuzo engizoyibuza ngithi
No.
we measure kanjani i-success kwi-foundation yakho ukuthi okay kule program le senze kahle noma senzanga kahle, yini lo sukuyi-achievile on each program le posho khona ukuthi okay yeah this was successful?
Okay, can I just answer with an example? Okay.
Go for it.
Last year we had an initiative for 67 minutes for Mandela Day, where we had asked out into umphakathi ukuthi nesiyacela ukuthi sisize abantwana abawu-67 ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi be-applyele ama-CAO forms abo. So with that initiative, and fortunately and unfortunately, we were not able to reach 67 kids that we were able to assist with their application forms. I says the ECO 250 rand would apply his. So sahaba say my high schools ilawa esibona ukuthi kunesidingo ukuthi abantwana bakhona bekwazi ukuthola ukusizakala. Yes, bekwazi mhlawumbe kuba nemali ukuthi be apply ku-CAO. So sakwazi ukureach abantwana abawu 37 kids. So we assisted all those 37 kids zikwazile ukuthi zingene eikhundleni zokufunda, so be it a university or a technocon, and bakwazile ukuthi through our assistance lo 250 lona sokwazi saba applyisa sabakhokhela bangena kuma-university njengamanje bayafunda. So it's things like that esikwaziyo si-measure ukuthi yes senze kahle ngempela-ke la.
Ni-identifya kanjani iy'kole? Angithi usesikhaweni noma nisebenza ngey'kole zokuthi ezasesikhaweni kuphela noma ni-identifya kanjani nje iy'kole ukuthi
No,
ayisambe lesi sikole soqonda njani?
Okay, no. Asisebenzi ngey'kole zasesikhaweni kuphela. Before we'd only work with just iy'kole zasesikhaweni sithi this is our community yethu yabo esikuyona, so sifisa u-empowerisha yona. But as i-organization iqhubeka ikhula sesi-incorporate ney'kole even eDlangezwa, you know, so we're going as far as kwaDlangezwa, even around khona esikhaweni go Dube Village and so we have teachers that we are in communication with, and then ibona abakwazi besize besilekelele to identify especially in iy'ngane ezidinga usizo.
Niyenze initiative last year.
Yes, that was last year.
Izoba annual vele niyenza njalo noma?
Besifisa ukuthi ibe annual, reach out to a few companies, because last year in the science we weren't reaching out to companies, we reached out to individuals. So there's a poster that was advertised throughout the course of the year. So there's individuals donating. So this year basically, because siyafuna ukuthi ibe more impactful ngoba ngisho ukuthi last year sakwazi ukusiza abantwana abo-37, so besifisa ukuthi this year kube 67 as initiative issue, but ama-companies basho ukuthi I know we're too late for them to ukuthi bekwazi ukubesiza. So this year we're just running with the e-clothing drive, so we have individuals abadonatela impahla. You guys can check it out. I'm sorry, it's just on our social media pages. So this is running 2 times. So last Friday, umhlaka 4, sasikhona esikhaweni ngase J2 bakwazi bafika umphakathi ukuthi uzothola impahla nje. So yeah.
Phela ngithi ngakuthola ngayo.
Oh yes.
Ngakuthola ngayo.
Yes.
Ngiyakuzwa uthinta le yokuthi currently or previously be collaborator nama individuals.
Yes.
But now usuyafisa ukuthi ucollaborate nama companies. Kunzima yini?
It is.
More ukuthi uyaba approacha ukuthi ngaphela you are doing a good initiative. Kunzima yini?
It is so difficult. It is so difficult. Baningi abantu abenza like izinto ezinhle, like good initiatives. So I understand also companies have their CSI and there's only so much they can take in. So it's just that agakafiki thina lapho where sithola bathi yes, come on board with us. But it's really difficult, I don't wanna lie. And kuya heartbreak. Yeah, I get heartbroken. I don't wanna lie. Like I'm a very emotional person, so I really do get emotional when I'm like, oh, like this is so great. This is such a good initiative. Why can't this company come on board? You know, because this would also be waving their flag up high, So, but we know we keep pushing. We're not gonna give up. We're gonna keep trying, and kuzokwenzeka. Yes, I have no doubts about it.
Yeah, kuzokwenzeka ngoba enye into ekisize ilento yokuba consistent ukwenza into eyodwa. So lapho you catch amehla abantu abaningi uma ulokhu uqhubeka uyogcina umtholile lo ozohlangana naye ukwazi ukuthi nibe on the same page.
Yeah.
Ayikho into engenawo ama challenges. Ngisho impilo, ngisho ini, ngisho uthando, umjolo, yonke
pandemic.
Angithi yabona yonke
into.
So imaphi ama challenges osuhlangabezana nawo since 2021 angithi since 2021 awubonayo ukuthi iwona njengempela akwenza ukuthi ungawa achieve lama goals la ufisa ukwa achieve?
The biggest would be compliance of NPO.
Okay.
Yeah. So like on Monday, no, actually on Tuesday, you asked me to come in on Tuesday. I couldn't come in on Tuesday because I went to SARS. Yes. So I'm trying to get the Foundation ukuthi section 18A ne PPO. So ukuthi abantu bekwazi be exempted from paying tax mabe donate kuthini. Yabo. So that also encouraged people to be like, oh no, definitely we're gonna donate to you guys because we know what we're gonna get tax exempted. So it's been a whole rigmarole, I don't wanna lie, it's just exhausting. So I'm hoping right now with the help that I've reached out to SM Accounting, which is in Richards Bay. So they said that we must because I need to go and I mean, because it's a whole story. But anyways, more of the story is it's gonna happen in Jesus' mighty and powerful name, amen. And yeah, so I wouldn't have to lie. It's compliance here too. That has been a huge challenge because nakhona angithi amanye company azodonate ngoba nginale certificate lesi angithi ehe, so siyabamotivate nabo ukuthi hayi bo asibanikezeni lokho abakudingayo. Also, it would be, I know we haven't tapped into the other programs that we're doing, but one of our biggest programs is Happy Homework Helpers, which is afternoon classes. It's with Zayo Nengane, Kona Eskaweni every Monday to Friday from 3 to 5. So, sitting on my homework and like extra curriculums, like my activities about the Wednesday schooling. So, we local, is the fact to abantwana kithene babuye esikoleni belambile umuntu esekhathele, so siyazama because siyacela abazali ukuthi becontribute. Leyo contribution leyo isuke iya ukhokhela ama-stipends for ama-volunteer, because ama-volunteers now is qualified teachers that are sitting at home. Yabo. So it's not much, yabo, and nabo they are individuals that have a home, they have kids that are looking up to them, yabo. So that is a huge challenge because I really wish sorry.
So emotional.
I want to cry because like they do a lot, honestly. Okay, now I'm gonna cry. They do a lot.
Miss, what's it?
No, they do a lot. And ngiyafisa ukuthi ngabe yabo kukhona ukuthi bethole lokho like imfanelo appropriate for them yabo. And nokuthi ingane zethu ngoba ngisho ukuthi zisuke zibuye esikoleni zilambile, so we try to fix up a sandwich for them, yabo, when we can, yabo. But ngoba ngisho ukuthi contribution is not much. The economy we're living in, everything is so expensive. Tingupulo no single every day is wow, yabo. Ingane zethu zi-cute, zibhujile, zifuna oros. So le oros eyibizela. Kuningi kodwa ke
kuzokwenzeka.
Yeah, sekwenzekile kahle kahle because the God that I serve, thank you so much. The God that I serve is a God of miracles, and he is performing his miracles. So yeah.
So yazi wathinta ngicela kule question esiwayona wathinta iprogram yeingane.
Yes.
Mhlawumbe kuzoba ngcono uma ngikupha ithuba lokuthi mhlawumbe usitshele ngama programs enu, especially the key programs, and usiphe nje more details kuwona so that umphakathi wethu uzokwazi ukuthi nenzani okungenzeka ukuthi bakhona abantu abangakwazi ukuthi besize lapho noma befuna ukube ingxenye befuna usizo kuwe. So mase usiwazise imapha ama program now and usiphe nje ama details.
Okay.
Ukuphazamisa uma ukuthi kukhona lapho kuba khona umbuzo engibonzayo ukuthi okay so that uzokwazi ukuchaza.
No problem. Okay, so we, as I said, it's in a Happy Homework Helpers where we assisting in our homework every Monday to Thursday from 3 to 5. Low program leyo is to give a hand to abazali abasebenza abangazi usizingana ama homework abo, and ingane futhi eziba nama challenges esikwazi usene sizame ukuthi si aid lapha esika aid khona. Our biggest goal with that program, because that's what started the International Foundation, is always we want that Happy Homework Helpers to become a center, a remedial center. That is what we want. That's like the end goal of the International Foundation, is to have the International Foundation remedial. Because it's not that the child is not capable. The child is very much capable. But uthola ukuthi ingane ifunda eklasini with there's 80 pupils, uthisha uyi-1. Yabo. So leyo ngane leyo uthisha uyafisa ukuthi engenelele, but she's got 79 other kids. Yabo. So that child ihleli eklasini every single day, Monday to Friday, from 7:30 to 2:30, ayitholi attention yabo. So that's what we want to do. We want to bring something. I-remedial pen is considered elite yabo. It's all for like boyindawo nje eziphezulu elokishini. Yikho lokho esifuna ukwenza silethe elokishini sikwazi ingane abazali ababona ukuthi ingane zidinga uthene zithola usizo olu individual olubhekane nayo sikwazi sene sibasize and ukuthi i-program yethu ngoba siyirana njengamanje that's our big goal. So i-program yethu ngoba siyirana njengamanje as a small term goal or small to medium term goal is ukuthi siranele esikoleni i-high school khona i-high school ese-J2 esinikeza ama-premises akhona and siyabonga kubona ngempela ukuthi bekwazi besinikeza i-shelter.
Ngimention igama lakhe.
Ngimention? Indlambuzo High School. Thank you so much. Siyabonga kakhulu yabo. So siyafisa ukuthi because angithi it's obviously a school during Monday to Friday 8 to bani their working hours. We want to have our own container classes yabo situated somewhere else where we are able ukuthi our services do not have to be afternoon services only, but they can be services throughout the whole day. That way, what we're doing is ukuthi there's a school close by to where we are. We offer ukuthi during these time frames, is it possible for kids that teachers feel need extra help to come to us or whatever yabo into kanjalo? So sikwazi ukuthi abantwana bekwazi ukuthola ukusizakala ngaleyo ndlela leyo yabo. So Happy Homework Helpers is one of our biggest program that we're doing. We also do initiatives like Read Aloud Day, which is in February, which is promoting reading. So we always challenge our kids. They come prepare a speech, they read something from a book, We also have our biggest initiative is our annual spelling bee, which is in April. So this is in commemoration of World Book Day. World Book Day, So we get spelling bee said CBZ, be it like this year, CBZ, I'm a primary school.
So interested to get
no, sorry. Next year, catch us next year. So this year is busy my primary school learners. So is compete ukuthi ubani uspela wangempela. Last year we got my high school every year. So next year we got my high school. So ngoba kade primary, next year we high school kanjalo. Yabo. So lapho ke suke promote nakhona reading and we all know ukuthi English is a universal language. Yabo. Ukuthi sikwazi ukukhuluma unfortunately ngisho ngaye China uzokhuluma isiChina kodwa uzoza amagama e-English yabo. So sizama ukuthi ingane zikwazi ukuthi yes uyalazi igama elithi stop, but definition, can you put it in a sentence yabo? So that's what we're trying to promote with them yabo. With our spelling bee competition. So it's every April. That's our NJ into hlezi khona nayo ke into yethu like we siyajabula like in terms of engagement of like the teachers with the students and how these kids are so competitive. Uyazi uba nawe naye ikhona nje bazowashaya this year bathi hawu yindaba njengoba ngalesi sena kodwa nensana uthena ngoba phela bafuna ukuwina phela kuyisipele but nje it's really nice, it's really amazing how they all so invested in it and Leo again our biggest challenge again is always trying to get sponsors for the events. But God has been great because we've been doing it for 3 years now and we have received sponsors. But the process, at the last minute, Indians, I promise you, for 3 years running.
We baba all last minute.
Umuntu uzofika ngekutshela ukuthi next week Friday kuzobe spelling bee. Namhlanje Thursday. Thola ukuthi umuntu uzophendula namhlanje okay no guys it's fine sizonikeza imali. La thina sesiwasilele ama-invitation, abantwana baya-prepare ekoleni, othi baya-prepare, wonke umuntu uyazi next week Friday spelling bee, thina sisuke sihleli the whole time sithi inkosi, wena awuhlulwe lutho, kuzokwenzeka. Always without fail.
Niyahluleka ngathi ukuthi mhlawumbe kukhandeka ubudlelwane nalabantu enisuke benisiza.
Abantu basuke besiza it's usually individual donations. Yeah, that's the thing. It's never like your big company that's like, okay, come on, we're taking you guys on board. Like every single year we got you. It's always individuals. So so that's our biggest challenge. It's always my individuals that are gonna come through. So every single year but again this year nake sesivivile manje sisendela ama proposal letters ethu kuma companies hoping ukuthi bazokwazi usene best adopt kuma CSI yabo ukuthi bebe part of a program yethu le ye spelling bee. And then also we have a grade 9 career day that's every June in celebration of June 16. So ngithi ama grade 9 siyazi ukuthi azo choose ifundo maphela unyaka.
Okay.
So suke senza ke i-career day yabo ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi bebone amanye ama-fields phela ngaphandle kubo. I'm not trying to sound bad, sorry, but nje ukuthi kukhona besides kubo unesi or policeman umuthisha kukhona. We are living in a fourth industrial revolution. Yeah, we're moving into technology. Like that's where the kids' mindset should be. Ukuthi everything that you're trying to pursue, yabo, either technologically based, because that's where we're going. I mean, just imagine we have ChatGPT, they're replacing. We have the le bogies lo order call like KFC. It doesn't sebenza abantu lo le.
Yabona ukukhuluma nge-chat AI kukhona abantu abasukelana behamba bayofunda graphic designing bani. AI usufaka nje ukuthi wena ufuna kube kanjani and futhi okwakho kuphela ngeke ukuthi iyophinde yenze okunye okufana nalokho. Uyabona ukuthi
so so that's our thing with the grade 9 career day, and also promoting entrepreneurship. Excuse me, as we said, ukuthi the high unemployment rates. So we trying to, with this career day, our main like goal is trying to open up the grade 9 learners' minds. Guys, let's move in whatever career path you're going into, be it technologically based. Whatever masungayonga with technology, kodwa mase ungahlangananga ke usugraduate uyakwazi ukuthi ushintshe lento ukuthi ikwazi ukuthi uyisebenze khona uzokwazi ukuqhubeka ukuthola ama-cent, because asikwazi ngempela ukuthi sizohlala emakhaya uthi unamabhande akhe namajazi akhe amangaka kodwa wenzi lutho.
Sekufana nokuthi sonke lesikhathi bekuyi-waste. So yonke leminyaka ayikho into aduyenza.
Exactly.
Kuzwakala sengathi kodwa ufocuse kakhulu kwezokufunda suthi ama-beneficiary akho abantu abafundayo ingane zesikole. And usesikhawini angithi okwamanje usasebenza nabantu basesikhawini. Ake sithi ke ngoba zikhona izikole nala eMatshana bese isikole siyithanda one of your program. Bayakwazi imboni ukuthi beku-approach wena ukuthi uzoba ngabe ingxenye yabo noma nisebenzisane. Bayakwazi ukwenza lokho.
Definitely. Yes, akukho ukuthi ngoba sisikhawini ngoba ngisho konke vele esikwenzile noma esiqalile with the Enzansi Foundation, it was for uvele la i-community, but it's not ukuthi kufanele kuphelele la, I mean, education is all over, so wherever. Njengamanje, even our career day, we had a school from Umthunzini join us, so we are trying to get other schools to be a part of all the initiatives that we are doing, because even spelling bee just next year siyafisa ukuthi ningabi ukuthi we just invite iy'kole zasesikhaweni kube ukuthi we're going out uma ngisho ukuthi khona isikole saseMthunzini sesiyazi siyeza naso spelling bee sethu, all the other schools in all different areas now eMatshana, definitely they can come through, definitely we on asivalele muntu nje ngaphandle.
Ngiyayizwa ke manje uma ngoba vele uthi zonke izikole zivulelekile ukuthi zifike, iya ngokuya iyakhula. Awusabi yini ukuthi the demand will be higher Angifunda lokhu kuphazamisa ekuchazeni ama program akho.
No.
Uma ungaqedi kuwukuthi ngifikelela ama questions ukuthi awusabi yini ukuthi ngoba sekukhona umthunzini. Nami ngizozama ukuthi kube khona imatshana ngasematshana phela ukuthi kube khona ama representative akhona asematshana spelling bee. Awusabi.
Kuthiwa eBhayibhelini uNkulunkulu says fear 365 days. Do not fear. I don't fear. Honestly, like I trust God through and through. Like He's never disappointed me. Never. And He never will. So I know ukuthi kukho konke okwenzakalayo kuwenzeka because it is His plan. Yabo, this is the plan that He has for me, for Yenza Kahle Foundation, for all the lives that we're going to impact. Yabo. So if now 20 schools are coming from this place and that place, and that's His plan, He's going to provide.
Yazi uma ukhuluma nje yazi lento eshoyo mina ngisho mase ngigaxele.
Every day of my life I live on that scripture.
Mina yazi ukuthi ngaba ngobuyisho nje kahle yazi into ngisho mase ngigaxele ukuthi lento le akumina akuyona yami.
Akuyona.
Ngoba isiqala nje ukuthi nje akuyona yami umnikazi wayo uzokwenza sure ukuthi lento iyalunga.
True. Amen. And He is.
Ngeshwela.
Right. So nje leyo part leyo qhubeka nje ume lapho. You're on the right path. All right. See, and then we also have International Day of the Boy Child. So lapho ke boy.
Oh sabonga.
Nkosi nani guys
akujwayelekile. Kusha.
Nibalekile kakhulu bantu besilisa. So sisuke sithatha sine age group siqale last day ke International Day of the Boy Child. So abafana aba 10 to 15 years lapho sisuke sibathatha last year nje into sayenza is sabathatha saya nabo Elkastrand, and then we have another friend of ours who's like a very adventurous person. So he took them fishing, taught them a skill that abanye abangakwazi. And then we have chats with them on drug abuse, being a part of sports, emotional intelligence, because lento ukuthi indoda ayikhali ayikho
thina abantu asikhali
mina ngikhale nama emotions angithi yikho nje sina zonke le game ezizwakalayo ngoba manje kuthiwa awufanele ukhale, and then umuntu uhle nama emotions akhe amangaka and then siwakhipha kanjani in a very dangerous or bad way.
Yazi yabo ungikhumbuza nje bekunini sesenze podcast noSifiso manje sasixoxa ngalento ukuthi 78% wabantu abacommit i-suicide abantu besilisa u78%.
Imagine.
Yazi nayo wangiphendula kanjalo wathi inkinga ukuthi sisila amadoda angakhali.
Kanti khala. It's okay.
Nizosikhandela abafana abathambile.
No. Ave bezoba strong ke. Ngibona ba strong phela ke laba akhalayo. They can be in touch with their emotions. Yeah, so we have that. See, that's in May. We celebrate that in May. We also had one this year. This year we had a karate session with the kids. Okay. So this time it was because we all know karate is a sport of discipline. Yeah, so we're implementing in the way discipline nokuthi more self-protector. Yabo. Ukuthi ungamlimaza omunye umuntu phela yabo whatever izimo ezikufica kukhona yabo. So we had a karate session, and then also we had a young competition with the boys where we asked them to share business ideas, and then our teams we recruit them into teams, and then we share our business ideas and then we had our winners business idea because nakhona yonke into esiyenzayo si promote entrepreneurship ayiqale manje nisakancane yabo ubeke lo mali udayisa labo usudi esikoleni lokho bonakala yabo ukuthi high. Yeah. So we also have a Dress a Matric learner. So this is for Dress a Matric learner. So this one is for abantwana abafisa ukuya ku matric dance yabo kodwa financially akwenzeki emakhaya. So sasicilile ukuthi abantu ukuthi abanengubo yabo nje ezinhle umuntu angakwazi ukugqoka esidonethele namasudi bekwazi usidonethele to partnership with the salon esikhaweni ethiwa 6 to 9 hair salon. So bona ke bakwazi ukuthi besiyenzele amantombazane befake inzipho inkophe nabantu nama boys nabo babagunda kahle amakhathi beshaya nalabo Polish bakhona
Yebo.
nje yes so ukuthi nje abantwana nabo ukuthi just because isimo sasekhaya sikho right akunavaleleke ezinye izinto because we only go to matric dance once yabo so siyabo safisa ukuthi wonke umntwana ekwazi experience lolo suku umnandi nabadlali babo and so we have that program also. And our first upcoming program that we're very, very excited about is the International Day of the Girl Child, which is in October. So we haven't hosted one before. But look at JC talking abafana because abafana nabadinga ama-programs azokhuluma nabo yabo nje get in touch with them. So njengamanje this year we're planning the International Day of the Girl Child, which is in October. Asikakabe nawo ama-sponsors kosiyam yabo and siyafisa nje ama-brands azokwazi ukuthi besilekelele ngakho ulolu suku lolu ngoba the whole plan is for it to be a high tea session. So we have a Spa Inobuhle, which is one of our biggest supporters that always helps us with my initiatives. They're going to do a whole petty session for the girls. Yes, shout out. They're going to do a petty session for the girls. We're going to have Claire's Concepts, which is a business that does my hats. So you're born on different July, goes on different July. So abantwana bethu ngithi high tea pay. Hey, so manje fanele begqoke appropriately. So Claire's Concept ke yena ke uzobegqokisa abantwana ke igqoko ke kulolu suku. Mase siba onomithens izobe senzele ideco ke. So izinto njengokudla esingabi nazo ama gift soba gift ingane nje like the overall whole day for it to be very successful. Just those few there and there but that need money obviously. Izovela izinto ezibe sisidinga ke for lolu suku kodwa siyathemba ukuthi hayi kuzohlangana umphakathi kosiyami uyezwa
angithi umphakathi
zikhala
umphakathi uyezwa ngempela yazi futhi kuzosilidela kule question elandelayo yokuthi uma ngifisa mhlawumbe njengoba ngiyacabanga ukuthi abakhona ama volunteer masenenza mhlawumbe mangifisa ukuba i-volunteer or else ngifisa ukuba one of the stakeholders ngifanele ngenze kanjani ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi ngicine mhlawumbe nami mangiyawathanda ama-initiatives ngikwazi ukuthi ngibe part yawo.
Okay, so niyakwazi ukuthi nixhumane nathi. We have our WhatsApp and phone line as you can see on the banner. We also have an email that you guys can reach out to us on. We have a website where nikhona nizobona ukuthi she's not making all this up. It's all there. It's all there on our website, on our social media pages. But please take that phone and dial this number. Please, siyacela.
Ngiyacela nami sekucela nami ke uMr Made in Africa ukuthi hayi asibasize. Sesingasemaphethelweni. I know ukuthi
sekuphelile njalo
umphakathi ukuhlala nomphakathi. I know. Mhlawumbe uma uthi what do you see yourself mhlawumbe in future noma especially foundation, you're talking about foundation ukuthi in 10 years time or what are your future plans?
When I sleep at night, I see the foundation on a space of land with buildings, ama-class. Kune sports field lana lapho edlala khona ingane ama-cricket, kune swimming pool ngoba bayafundisa ukubhukuda.
Yebo.
Kunamabhasi abhaliwe branded ngoba azobe transport ingane zethu to and from emakhaya to school. Kune facility yema skills development ngoba also abanye abantu that are very, very close to my heart are people with special needs.
Okay.
Yes, because my cousin, he has special needs. So usesusukani this year una 18 so uyaphuma qonda ukuthi njengamanje impilo imayiqala kuyena. So uzoyaphi uzoyenzenjani yabo. So amfaqamanga abantu abana special needs they very close to my heart. So Yenza Kahle Foundation, I want Yenza Kahle Foundation to cater for those people. Yabo. For them ukuthi okay usuphumile ke as thina ke as provide amathuba omsebenzi for what ababo, be it ama groundsmen, be it our kitchen staff, be it in any, be it administration, what they can do, they depending on their abilities. But that's where Yenza Kahle is. Yenza Kahle is a remedial center. It has a sports ground. It's offering sports that are not for teen. I don't know if I'm saying it right. So please do excuse me if I sound very bad. But sports so that's where that's where Yenza Kahle Foundation is. That's where Robin is. That's where her mindset and her end game is. My business, in terms of my business, I'm running a well-known CMT where we are manufacturing uniforms, we are manufacturing corporate gifts, we are employing young, old people, we are changing lives and feeding families. That's where my business, Ikhali's Momodia, is. And then me, where am I? I am sitting there smiling and saying, God, thank you so much. Thank you. Kakhulu, mina, I take things into my own hands. I'm that girl.
Kukhona mhlambe ongafisa ukuthi sikuthinte mhlambe othola ukuthi lapha asikhulumanga ngakho namhlanje.
Please.
Khona ufisa sikuthinte.
Oh, namhlanje I think we said it all. No, ngicela nibuye ningithinte sesibuyela i-updates.
Oh, akhuleka.
Please.
Kune tradition ke la ekhaya.
Yes.
Asikudedeli. Our last question, it's a personal question.
Okay.
It's about personal. It's our tradition. We made in Africa in the sense kanje. Ikhona ni mistake osuke wayenza and we are so scared to address it and to reconcile ngaleyo mistake leyo osuke
wayenza. That is very deep. Mistake. Wow. I'm sure I have. We all make mistakes. We're humans. It's just that I don't know. I mean, I don't hold things.
So izinto ozenza ayikho osuke wayenza and you are very scared to address it. Uzoyiqala ngaphi? First. Uzikhumbula
mase ngihambile yazi leyo nje ngeqiniso ukuthi we mistake uba konje ayikho yazi nje engithi njengamanje nje engathi ngibuyele emuva engathi lentuza addressa like honestly I can't think of anything. But I will definitely, yeah. Next
miss. Awunayo wena.
Hey, yo, look, guys, you only live once. You can't hold on to. We've made mistakes. You've made those mistakes. See,
no, cool. Best for isikhathi sakho. I-hour selibhalela lincane.
I'm so sad. Levela kancane ngempela.
Abanaphela but siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you so much.
Uzongifundisa izinto eziningi. Sekunezinto esengine-interest kuzona kakhulu. Akusafani njengoba ade ngibona ngifunda lapha ku-status. Status ngaba ngisazo i-status aba. Akusafani nalokho sene-information eningi nama-programs sengiyawazi ukuthi imaphi. Sengiyafisa nokuthi nezikole zangakithi zijoyine. Yabona nje siyabonga kakhulu mfethu. Ungaphela amandla ke nawe noma kunzima ukuthola usizo. Kodwa ungaphela amandla. Akhona amazwi okugcina nje ongawasho sesivala kumphakathi.
Okay, no, umphathi at large, just for abantu abasha ukuthi guys, don't give up. Like, yes, njengamanje uhleli with whatever uhleli nayo, frustrated, kodwa don't give up. I think that's like the most important thing ukuthi unga give up. Zama thinta lapho thinta khona ubone yini ongayihlanganisa. Ngoba inye into futhi ukuthi isikhathi siyahamba, we're not going to be young forever. And also I just want to encourage abantu abasha also in terms of businesses, like guys, start something. They are I know izinto za government zinesicefe sase isikhathi eside, but go register the business, go to NYDA, go to wherever, go to whoever, drop that proposal, you know,
Yes.
start that idea. And I think the most important thing is, there will never be a perfect moment. There will never. So you saying, "Hi, ngizolinda ukuthi," no. Manje, do it now. I actually read somebody's status that I can't really put the words, but I was like, oh, very true. Let us not die with our dreams or like it's or something. But it was along those lines.
It
was?
or it.
What did he say? I don't know.
Yeah,
But it was, yeah, like
ungafune iphupho.
yabo. So like don't die with your dream. Sukuma uyithintithe nje and upush it and nokuthi nje also I just like to say thank you. Now I'm just stealing the spotlight, I'm sorry. But I just like to say thank you to everybody.
It's on you.
I like to just say thank you to everybody that supports Ian Zahle Foundation. You guys do not go unnoticed. From Sister NPO, Connie NPO, Sister Esteban San and I, San NGO, Sister Karin. They are amazing. Yabo, to our family members, abazali bethu na ama-parents esinemindeni yethu iyasupporta kakhulu.
Can testify to it.
Yes, to the parents that trust us with their kids every Monday to Thursday, you know, like siyabonga, thank you guys so much. To everybody that reshares our statuses, that reshares our posts on our social media, we thank you guys so much. Siyacela ukuthi ngicela ngingaphela amandla, nathi ngiyasiphela amandla ngoba ngishilo ukuthi nje i-end game ukuthi yenza kahle izobe namabhasi, izobe namaphuli, izobe nani. All of this for i-community yaseSikhaweni ngaseSikhaweni because zibalulekile kuthina. Either Sikhaweni kuphela kodwa iSikhaweni namaphethelelo zibalulekile kuthina and we want ukuthi zibele phezulu because they are the leaders of tomorrow. So thank you guys so much and thank you so much for being a nag. Thank you. Thank you guys so much.